Good morning everyone. Last class we have discussed about the spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors we call it as a parabolic mirror as well as curved mirror. So in that we discussed concave mirror and convex mirror. Also we have discussed the formation of image by concave mirror and convex mirror. We have discussed about the uses of concave and convex mirror, right? Now in this class we are going to discuss about the lenses. Now in this class we are going to discuss about the lenses. So in lenses we are going to learn about convex lens and concave lens. So in lenses we are going to discuss about the convex lens and the concave lens. After that, converging and diverging action of lenses. Both converging and diverging action of lenses, whether convex lens converges or else concave lens converges, that we are going to discuss here. After that, formation of images by lenses. So already we discussed the formation of images by mirrors in the last classes, previous class. So in this class we are going to discuss about the formation of images by lenses. So at last we are going to discuss about the uses of lenses, where we are going to use these lenses. Then after that, magnifying glasses. Right? These concepts we are going to discuss in this class. So here first we are going to discuss about lens. What are lens? Right? So lens is a transparent material. What? Lens is a transparent material bound or else combined by two curved surfaces. Lens is a transparent material which is bound or else combined by two curved materials or one curved material and one plane surface. So what do you mean by lens means what? So lens is a transparent material which is bounded or else combined by two curved surfaces, whether it may be convex or else concave surfaces. So that is also we call it as a what? A lens, or else by combining one curved surface and one plane surface, whether it may be concave and plane surface, convex and plane surface. So this is what we call it as a lens. So in lens, two types, right? Convex lens and concave lens. So in lens there are two types, convex lens and concave lens. So here, so this is the convex lens. See carefully, this is the convex lens. So when you touch this, you will feel about it. This is a what we call it as a convex lens. So in convex lens, it is thicker at the middle. At this middle, it is thicker and thinner at the edges. Right? So see here, it is thicker at the middle and thinner at the edges. So this is the convex lens. So convex lens is also called as a converging lens. Convex lens is also called as what? A converging lens. So why it is converging lens, we will discuss later here. So second lens is what? A concave lens. Right? So this is the concave lens. See, this is the concave lens. Right? So this is what? This is thicker at the middle. This is a thicker at the middle and thinner at the edges. Right? See, this is thicker at the middle and thinner at the edges. Right? So the concave lens is called as a diverging lens. Right? The concave lens, we call it as a diverging lens. Right? This you have seen the convex and concave lens. So now converging and diverging action of lens. Right? Converging and diverging action of lens. So first thing, converging action of lens. So first what? Converging action of lens. So first thing, converging action of lens. Normally I have told you that convex lens is also called as a converging lens. Right? Convex lens is also called as what? A converging lens. So it means, so this is what? A convex lens, right? Bound by two reflecting surfaces na. So this is also one reflecting surface. This is also one spherical or a curved surface bound by two curved surfaces is called as what? Lens. So this is bounded by two curved surfaces. Right? So this is the diagram for the converging lens or else convex lens. Right? When light ray falls on a convex lens, when light rays falls on a convex lens, so light rays is falling on this convex lens. Right? So what here name only mentioned that converging action of lens. So it means what you have to converge at a point. So you have to converge at a point. So here at this point image is formed. Right? So this is the converging action of lens. Right? So this we call it as an image of this object or as any object. When light ray falls on a convex lens, the image is formed in front of the what? So in behind the lens. So this is the converging action of lens. So already we have discussed what is converging and what is diverging beam of light in my first video. So what is converging? What a number of light rays gathering at a point. So this is the converging action of lens I have shown in my first video with the diagram also. This is what a converging action of light, converging beam of light, all the light rays meeting at a point, gathering at a point. So this is we call it as a converging point, that converging beam of light. So what a convex lens always converges the light rays. Remember this, convex lens is also called as a converging lens. So it always converges the light rays. Right? So next thing, this is we call it as a convergence also. This is we call it as a convergence or converging action of a lens, that with the help of convex. So next thing is what? Diverging action of lens. So next thing is what? Diverging action of lens. Already I have defined about the diverging action of lens, the divergence of light. So when light rays coming out from an object, light rays spreading, so it is coming out from an object, that we call it as a divergence. So here now I explain about the divergence beam of light. So here diverging action of lens, right? Already we discussed about the converging action of lens, that convex lens converges the light rays. So that convex lens is also called as a converging lens. So here diverging lens, that concave lens is called as a diverging lens. So this is the diagram for diverging lens. This is what the diagram for diverging lens. So here diverging means what? Light spreads. It will not gather at a point, it spreads. Right? So see here by diagrammatically, the ray of light are different. So these are the incident ray. Right? When light rays strike the lens, refraction takes place. Right? Light rays strike the lens, refraction takes place. Refraction means bending of light. Right? Refraction means what? Bending of light. Where in mirror reflection will take place. So here in lenses refraction will take place. So it means what? It bends. It moves away. Right? When these refracted rays, we retrace them. When these refracted rays we retrace, the image is formed in front of the lens. The image is formed in front of the lens. Right? Here refraction will take place. The refraction means what? Bending of light. Right? So next thing is difference between the convex and concave lens. So what are the difference between the convex and concave lens? It means converging lens and diverging lens. So now only in first only I have told that. So convex lens is what? Thicker at the middle. Convex lens is thicker at the middle and thinner at the edge. Whereas concave lens is thinner at the middle, thicker at the edge. This is the first difference. Second difference is convex lens is also called as converging lens. So here concave lens is called as a diverging lens. So the image formed by convex lens is real, right? The image formed by convex lens is real and inverted. So whereas in concave lens the image formed is virtual and erect. So these are the difference between the what? These are the difference between the convex lens and concave lens. Next concept is formation of images by lenses, right? Formation of images by lenses. So first we will study about the convex lens. So convex lens means what here? By diagrammatically we have seen the whatever may be the light falls on a convex lens, it converges at a point. So here image is formed, right? So let us see this through a mirror, through a lens, right? This is what a convex lens already I have shown, right? So see here, I am. So see here carefully, I am following a ray of light on a convex lens, right? See, I am following a ray of light on a convex lens. The shadow of the lens is out. The shadow of the lens is, right? The light gathering is at the middle of the lens, right? So here it gathering all the light, whatever may be whatever I am following the light on this lens, it is gathering at a point C. So if I move closer means the gathering of light is becoming bigger. If I move far away means the gathering light is small. The gathering point is small. So this is the image is formed in a convex lens. So the convex lens is convergence of light, right? So next by divergence lens, right? This is what the divergence lens I have shown earlier only now. So what happens at divergence means the light will spreads out. So see here the shadow of the image is inward and the light gathering is outside. See carefully, right? The light is spreading out. So it means it is spreading, it is coming out, right? So I am incidenting the ray of light with the help of torch on a concave lens. What happening? So here it is spreading the light outward, right? It is not a gathering. So this is the way of formation of image by the lenses, right? So next thing, uses of lenses. So where we are going to use these lenses, right? So uses of lenses. So lenses are, so here we have studied two types of lenses, convex and concave lenses. So first thing, convex lenses. Convex lens is used as a magnifying glasses, right? So when we are studying, when we unable to study small letters, at that time we are going to use this magnifying glasses, right? And also used in simple microscope. Convex lenses are used in simple microscope as well as compound microscope, right? So microscope is a device through which we can see a smaller objects, right, or else organisms, right? So next thing, in camera and projector also we are going to use the convex lenses, right? So where means in camera and projector also we are going to use the convex lenses. And after that, astronomical telescope also, there also we are using the convex lenses. In telescope, astronomical telescope also we are using the convex lenses. So in specs also, in specs for correcting the long sightedness, it means far away objects we are unable to see, there also we are going to use the convex lenses. Next, uses of the concave lenses. So again here where we are going to use the concave lenses. So concave lenses are used for correcting the short sightedness. Short sightedness, it means we are unable to see the near objects. So there we are going to use the concave lens, and we are using the concave lens in Galileo telescope. So these are the some of the uses of convex and concave lenses. So these are the uses of convex and concave lenses. Magnifying glass. So magnifying glass, now only I told that while reading we are using the magnifying glasses, that we are unable to read the smaller letters while reading. So at that time we are using the magnifying glasses. So see here this in the textbook, right? So these are the small letters they have mentioned here. So by looking at this magnifying glasses, whatever they have written, by looking at this magnifying glasses, whatever they have written, it shows bigger, right? It shows bigger. See, a magnifying glass is a convex lens, right? This is the one of the use. A magnifying glass is a convex lens, right? So what happens when you go through the magnifying glass? So the enlarged image is formed. So the principle of the magnifying glass is what? The magnifying glass is based on the fact that when an object is placed near to a convex lens, an erect and virtual image, an enlarged image of an object is seen through the lens. So here by the lens we are going to see erect and virtual image that is enlarged. So we are able to read whatever they have written in a small letter. So this is what we call it as a magnifying glasses. So students, we discussed in this class about the lenses, two types of lenses, after that converging and diverging action of lens, formation of image by lenses, uses of lenses also we have discussed, then magnifying glass also we have discussed. So in next class we are going to study about the dispersion, means splitting of light, that we are going to discuss. I hope you understood this class. Thank you guys.